struggle to speak English in daily life? Repeat after me. These 50 sentences will change your speaking level immediately. Let's start speaking fluently today. Welcome to Daily English with Shelley. In this lesson, we will practice simple and powerful daily English sentences that you can use at home, at work, and with friends. Speak clearly, follow the pauses, and enjoy improving your English step by step. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. And you? I'm fine. Thank you. And you? What's your name? What's your name? My name is Shelley. My name is Shelley. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How old are you? How old are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Scotland. I'm from Scotland. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a student. I like reading books. I like reading books. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy listening to music. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I love pizza. I love pizza. Can you help me? Can you help me? I don't understand. I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No problem. No problem. How much is this? How much is this? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm tired. Let's go. Let's go. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. Good night. Good night. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. I like your dress. I like your dress. That's interesting. That's interesting. I don't know. I don't know. Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? What time is it? What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. I need help. I need help. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I like to watch movies. I like to watch movies. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? I'm happy today. I'm happy today. I'm sad today. I'm sad today. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm bored. I'm bored. It's hot today. It's hot today. It's cold today. It's cold today. I love my family. I love my family.
Great job! If you repeated all 50 sentences, your English speaking is already improving. Practice these daily, and you will speak fluently in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for daily English lessons. See you in the next video.